Range check on it yet?
No, but it's I'm using the same old receivers.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
It wasn't a new receiver.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right.
Let's see what happens. I like it. It's just like
it's about like toward the barn.
Yeah, it feels like it's coming right at us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe not. Maybe it's coming from. Oh well.
Yeah, it feels like it's going towards that way. There we go. Doing okay.
Well, it's nice and lazy. I like that.
Yeah. The motor sounds kind of funky.
Didn't want to roll.
Yeah, don't roll it now.
Really don't like acrobatics that much. Just gonna be a
just a relaxing flyer.
Easy little flyer.
Yeah.
Until I make some adjustments.
Yeah. There you go.
Those takeoff flaps.
Shoot, you probably could have came in with no flaps.
Oh.
It's all over the place.
I wanted to go again.
Yeah. It was pulling a Irvin's plane. Wanted to go back up again. Well, see how it sounds like it's rattling? A rattle.
Do the throttle kill.
Oh, it's a little high. That's like this was.
Man, gotta make some adjustments.
Yeah, there you go. That's all right. That's good.